Isn't it just wonderful to see so many businesses gathering, all for the same cause? Just behind me, we've got the Rolec stand, and they're partnered with Costelloes EV. Costelloes have won a lot of government contracts because they are trusted, not just for their installation, their maintenance and their performance, but the partnership with Rolec has really helped everybody get an opportunity to charge.
We are here at the EV Rally Cymru. We got everybody here, we got all the vehicles, we got all the teams, all getting ready to set off. And of course Rolec, which is what we charge all of this EV vehicles on. One of the big reasons we work with Rolec is that we've got that confidence that what we put in the ground is pure quality. You know, the chargers are top notch, so customers get what they pay for.
Here in Wrexham, supporting Costelloes EV. They're here sponsoring the start line for the GREENFLEET EV Rally. We're here talking to the local authorities and businesses and just trying to give a little bit of education and support for all EV charging infrastructure.